Sparkling clean villas. Windows glass cleaning by waterfedpole system. Welcome to the world of pristine villas, where every window shines bright like a diamond. Introducing Abu Hail Technical and Cleaning Services LLC, your ultimate solution for top-notch villa window cleaning in the United Arab Emirates. Forget the hassle of ladders and traditional methods. We bring you the latest innovation in window cleaning, the waterfedpole system. With our advanced technology, we can reach even the highest windows without breaking a sweat. No smudges, no streaks, just crystal clear perfection. At Abu Hail Technical and Cleaning Services LLC, we pride ourselves on delivering exceptional results with a smile. Your satisfaction is our priority. Say goodbye to dull and dirty windows. Contact Abu Hail Technical and Cleaning Services LLC today for a brighter, clearer tomorrow.